Video coverage of IT Expo is brought to you by Content Boost, the content marketing specialists.
Hi, this is Paula Bernier, TMC reporter here at IT Expo in Miami. I'm here with Chad Jones and his assistant Callum in the Xively booth, and we're going to see a quick demo of what they're showing here. Why don't you tell us about it, Chad?
Thank you. So today we're going to show you a little bit about how we've integrated on the Internet of Things between Google Glass and a pumping system that we have here locally inside of the booth. Now, Xively is a platform as a service specifically built for the Internet of Things, so we can tie together any sort of hardware that you have, like an ARM embed platform that we have here, and of course the notorious Google Glass that Callum's wearing right here. So now if we go ahead and look right here at this phone, this is actually going to show you what is going on in Google Glass. So Callum's going to go ahead and open up the Glass and go into our application. Now, he's going to go over and look at this QR code reader that he has on the side here, and what the QR code is going to tell him is that the Google Glass will connect with this particular tank that's right next to it. Now from there, you can see that once he read the QR code, this is the interface that came up that tells you the tank's a third full. It tells you the temperature of the tank and how many milliliters is inside of it. So now, if Callum wants to go ahead and fill the tank, he can make a selection on Google Glass and say, start fill. So he'll go ahead and do that. Now, this information will go through the cloud, the tank will pull the cloud, and then the pump will come on here, as you can see. So now, Google Glass is essentially controlling this particular pumping system. So now if we want to go ahead and stop the fill, you'll see that Callum will turn on and say stop the fill. And then in a moment here, it will go ahead and shut the tank off. And then you'll see that now it's a third full and that its status has turned to fill off. And of course, he then can turn around and drain the tank as well. Simply saying open the drain. And now, of course, the tank will begin to drain. Now, all of this stuff is recorded. All the information and the process in which he went through is recorded inside of our database for analysis over time. Now, beyond Google Glass, we actually have on the other side here what would be considered ancient in internet terms. This is a 1982 pinball machine coin operation device. So now we've included this in embed also. So now what you're able to do is take a quarter, and if you'll notice over here we have $894.75, but if I go ahead and slide the quarter in, right away it goes to $895. This is connected to the cloud, as is this application. So the very fact that I slide in a quarter here now gives me instant revenue recognition. So I have an arcade, I don't have to go and actually collect the quarters all the time and guess what's in there and not recognize the revenue until I collect the quarters. I just slide it in, I instantly know it's there. Xively enabled this particular solution in less than a day. The tank solution that you saw, once we had the tank working, that was less than a week to integrate with Google Glass. We're built for the Internet of Things, so it can be just that easy.
Great. Thanks, Chad and Callum. This is Paula Bernier signing off at IT Expo and the M2M and the Internet of Things demo.
Video coverage of IT Expo is brought to you by Content Boost, the content marketing specialists. Amplify your sales today.